12 amazing benefits of swimming that you may not know. Swimming is more than just a recreational activity. It's a full-body workout that offers numerous health benefits for people of all ages and fitness levels. From cardiovascular improvements to mental well-being, the benefits of swimming extend far beyond the pool. Here are 12 amazing benefits of swimming that you may not know. Number 1. Full-body workout. Swimming engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a full-body workout. Whether you're performing freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, or butterfly, each stroke targets different muscle groups, including the arms, shoulders, core, back, and legs. Number 2. Low-impact exercise. Unlike high-impact activities like running or jumping, swimming is a low-impact exercise that puts less stress on the joints. This makes it an ideal form of exercise for individuals with joint pain, arthritis, or mobility issues. Number 3. Cardiovascular health. Swimming is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that helps improve heart health and strengthen the cardiovascular system. By increasing your heart rate and improving circulation, swimming can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall cardiovascular fitness. Number 4. Weight management. Swimming burns a significant number of calories, making it an effective exercise for weight management and fat loss. Depending on the intensity and duration of your swim, you can burn anywhere from 400 to 700 calories per hour. Number 5. Improved flexibility. The range of motion required for swimming strokes helps improve flexibility and joint mobility. Regular swimming can help increase flexibility in the shoulders, hips, and spine, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall flexibility. Number 6. Enhanced lung capacity. Swimming involves rhythmic breathing techniques that require proper coordination between breathing and movement. This helps to expand lung capacity and improve respiratory efficiency over time, leading to better endurance and stamina. Number 7. Stress relief. Swimming has a calming effect on the mind and body, making it an excellent stress-relieving activity. The repetitive motion of swimming combined with the soothing sensation of being in water can help reduce stress, anxiety, and tension, promoting relaxation and mental well-being. Number 8. Better sleep. Engaging in regular physical activity like swimming has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. The combination of physical exertion and relaxation induced by swimming can help regulate sleep patterns and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Number 9. Rehabilitation and injury recovery. Swimming is often recommended as a form of rehabilitation for individuals recovering from injuries or managing chronic conditions. The buoyancy of water reduces the impact on injured joints and muscles while providing resistance for strength building and rehabilitation exercises. Number 10. Increased endorphin production. Like other forms of exercise, swimming stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. Swimming can boost mood, alleviate symptoms of depression, and promote a sense of well-being and happiness. Number 11. Social interaction. Swimming can be a social activity that allows you to connect with others and build relationships. Whether you're swimming laps with a friend, participating in a water aerobics class, or joining a swim team, swimming provides opportunities for social interaction and camaraderie. Number 12. Life-saving skill. Learning how to swim is not only beneficial for fitness and recreation, but also a crucial life-saving skill. Knowing how to swim can prevent drowning accidents and give you the confidence and skills needed to stay safe in and around water. Swimming offers a wide range of physical, mental, and social benefits that make it one of the most versatile and rewarding forms of exercise. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular fitness, manage stress, or simply have fun, swimming provides an enjoyable and effective way to achieve your health and fitness goals. So dive in and experience the amazing benefits of swimming for yourself.